So, hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. Now let's do our assignment for Conservation Economic Week 9 Assignment 9. So, the first question is the increase in total cost that arises from an extra unit of production are, so these are the option: fixed cost, variable cost, marginal cost, sunk cost. So, the answer of our first question is C, marginal cost. And now let's go to our question number 2. The increase in output that arises from an additional unit of input is, so these are the option: marginal product, marginal profit, marginal loss, marginal cost. So, the answer of our second question is A, marginal product. And now let's go to our question number 3. A monopolist firm's profit is given by, so these are the option, and the answer of our third question is A. And now let's go to our question number 4. Which of the following is true for a competitive firm? So these are the option, and the answer of our fourth question is D, MR equal to MC. And now let's go to our question number 5. The relationship between the quantity of inputs used to make a good and the quantity of output of that good is, so these are the option, and the answer of our fifth question is C, production function. And now let's go to our question number 6. Total revenue minus total cost, including both explicit and implicit cost, is a definition of, so these are the option, and the answer of our sixth question is A, economic profit. And now let's go to our question number 7. When the cost of a production for a single firm is much lesser than the cost of production for competitive firms, we have A. So these are the option, and the answer of our seventh question is natural monopoly. And now let's go to our question number 8. Which of the following is true for a monopoly? So these are the options. So the answer of our eighth question is A, P greater than MR. And now let's go to our question number 9. Costs that do not vary with the quantity of output produced are, so these are the option, and the answer of our ninth question is A, fixed cost. And now let's go to our question number 10. Total revenue minus total explicit cost is a definition of, so these are the option, and the answer of our 10th question is B, accounting profit. And now submit your answer. So friends, if you want more assignment answer in future, so you have to do one thing, you have to subscribe our channel. So thank you friends for watching our video.